There's new reaction tonight following the Supreme Court's ruling that gives former President Trump immunity for some acts within his constitutional power. ABC's Perry Rossum is outside the Supreme Court with Trump's reaction to the decision.
In the 6-3 decision, the justices ruling former presidents are shielded from prosecution for some acts, but not all.
Recognizing this kind of immunity, some absolute immunity for core presidential functions, some qualified immunity for other official acts, that seems to be what the opinion says, is an enormous addition of new powers and protections to the president in a way we just haven't seen before.
The case is tied to Trump's January 6th election interference case. Today, Trump says the ruling is a big win, even as he's been calling for absolute immunity for all acts since he was first charged in the case.
A president has to have immunity. If you don't have immunity, you just have a ceremonial president.
With the opinion of the court, Chief Justice John Roberts writes, Trump asserts a far broader immunity than the limited one we have recognized. In dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor writes the ruling makes a mockery of the principle foundational to our Constitution and system of government that no man is above the law. After the ruling, the Biden campaign with a dire prediction.
They just handed Donald Trump the keys to a dictatorship.
Special counsel Jack Smith, the prosecutor in Trump's election interference case, not commenting today. His office and the Department of Justice now said to be reviewing their options, weighing acts that could be seen as official and which were not.
Trump will not get a trial before the election, and the American people have a right to that, innocent or not guilty or whatever.
Now it's up to the lower courts to look at this ruling and see how it applies to this case, delaying both the interference case and the classified documents case even further until most likely after the election. Perry Rossum, ABC News at the Supreme Court.